It is 11:30 a.m. on September 16th, 2025. This is the Town of Brookhaven Industrial Development Agency public hearing for the Intercounty Associates 2 LLC project. I'm going to read the public hearing notice for the record. Notice is hereby given that a public hearing pursuant to Title I of Article 18A of the New York State General Municipal Law will be held by the Town of Brookhaven Industrial Development Agency, the agency, on the 16th day of September 2025 at 11:30 a.m. local time at the agency's offices located at Town of Brookhaven Town Hall, 2nd floor, 1 Independence Hill, Farmingville, New York, 11738, in connection with the following matters. The agency has previously provided its assistance to Intercounty Associates 2 LLC, formerly known as Intercounty Yaphank LLC, a New York limited liability company, the original company, and Intercounty Appliance Corp., a New York business corporation, the lessee, by issuing its $9 million taxable variable rate demand industrial development revenue bond series 2005 Intercounty Associates 2 LLC / Intercounty Appliance Corp. facility, the series 2005 bonds, which series 2005 bonds were used to finance certain costs of an industrial development facility consisting of the acquisition of an approximately 29.77 acre parcel of land located at 10 National Boulevard, Medford, New York, and the construction and equipping thereon of an approximately 250,000 square foot building, collectively the original facility, the issuance of a series of additional taxable variable rate demand industrial development revenue bonds, Series 2013, Intercounty Associates 2 LLC / Intercounty Appliance Corp. 2013 facility, the additional bonds, and together with the Series 2005 bonds, the bonds, in an aggregate principal amount of $4.5 million for the acquisition, construction, renovation, and equipping of an approximately 75,000 square foot addition to an existing approximately 250,000 square foot building located at the original facility, all for use by the lessee as warehouse and office space for the distribution of appliances, collectively the 2013 facility, and together with the original facility, the facility, which facility was sold to the original company pursuant to a certain installment sale agreement dated as of January 1st, 2005, as amended as of September 1st, 2013, collectively the installment sale agreement between the agency and the original company. The bonds were paid as of December 13th, 2018, and the agency consented to the original company's request to an assignment of the original by the original company of all of its rights, title, interests, and obligations under the original installment sale agreement, the original pilot agreement, and other documents in connection therewith, all as defined in the hereafter defined assignment, assumption, and amended agreement, the release of the original company from any further liability with respect to the facility, and the release of the lessee from certain documents in connection with the facility subject to certain requirements of the agency pursuant to a certain assignment, assumption, and amendment agreement dated December 13, 2018, the assignment, assumption, and amendment agreement by and among the agency, the original company, and the lessee, and 10 National Medford LLC, a limited liability company organized and existing under the laws of the state of Delaware, the assignee, and the company. The original installment sale agreement was assigned and amended pursuant to the assignment, assumption, and amendment agreement, the original installment sale agreement as so amended, the installment sale agreement, and the original pilot agreement was assigned pursuant to the assignment, assumption, and amendment agreement, and the company previously requested that the agency provide continued abatements of real property taxes to the company pursuant to a certain second amended and restated pilot agreement dated as of December 13th, 2018, the second amended and restated pilot agreement, and together with the original pilot agreement, the pilot agreement, and by and between the agency and the company. The company has submitted a request to the agency for financial assistance, including an extension of the abatement of real property taxes on the facility for a term of up to 10 additional years, the pilot extension. In connection with the facility will continue to be operated and or managed by the company. The agency has previously acquired a fee interest in the facility and will continue to sell the facility to the company. The agency contemplates that it will continue to provide financial assistance to the company in the form of modification and extension of current abatements of real property taxes consistent with the policies of the agency. A representative of the agency will, at the above stated time and place, hear and accept written comments from all persons with views in favor of or opposed to the proposed financial assistance to the company. This is dated September 5th, 2025, Town of Brookhaven Industrial Development Agency by Lisa Mulligan, titled Chief Executive Officer. I received one comment for this public hearing in advance of the public hearing. I'm going to read it into the record. The South Country Central School District is aware of the application submitted by 10 National Medford LLC currently before the Brookhaven Industrial Development Agency. In connection with this request for financial assistance, we respectfully ask the agency to consider the potential impact of the project on the district, our taxpayers, and the educational needs of our students. If opportunities exist for this project to provide a direct benefit to the district, its students, or the community, we would greatly appreciate the agency's assistance in facilitating such benefits. The Board of Education and Superintendent welcome the opportunity to discuss both the potential benefits and environmental impacts associated with this project. Thank you for your consideration. I'm going to leave this public hearing open in case there are any additional comments. This is the Town of Brookhaven Industrial Development Agency's public hearing for the Intercounty Associates 2 LLC project. There has been no participation, and the one comment received was read into the record. In as much as there's nothing else that's been received, I'm going to close this public hearing.